finding the missing height of a box. So if you're given two dimensions and you're trying to find the third one of the cube, rectangular prism, what you first have to do is you have to multiply together the two sides that you actually have. So we have x minus 3 and x plus 6. So you can FOIL or you can use the box method. I'm going to use the box method. We have x and 6, and we have x and a negative 3. So what we're going to do is we're going to fill in our box. X times x is x squared. X and 6 is 6x. Negative 3 and x is negative 3x. And negative 3 times 6 is negative 18. So we're going to pull out everything from our box. We have our x squared, 3x and 6x, or negative 3x and 6x gives us positive 3x, and we're left with negative 18. But this is only one part of our box. Remember, the formula for a rectangular prism is length times width times height. And all we've done so far is we've multiplied these two together, giving us x squared plus 3x minus 18. We now need to find our height with a given volume. So we can do the box method for this. We draw our box and we fill in what we know. I know I have an x cubed, remember first term in the first box. Negative 72 is our last term, and that goes into the last box. So what we have to do is we have to think to ourselves, what times x squared gives us x cubed? And it's x. Go back and check. X times x squared is x cubed. And then you say, okay, well, what times negative 18 gives me negative 72? And we get negative 4. Not negative 4, positive 4. So is 4 times negative 18 negative 72? Yes. So then we have x plus 4 is our missing dimension for our cube or rectangular prism. You can always go back and check. Now that we have our stuff, we can say, well, x times 3x is 3x squared. X times negative 18 is negative 18x. 4x squared is 4x squared. And 4 times 3 is 12x. And then pull out the information that you know. And we have x cubed is by itself. 4x squared and 3x squared gives us 7x squared. 12 and negative 18 gives us negative 6x. And we're left with negative 72. Does this match what they gave us? Yes. So you know you did it right.